Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to all of you in Network Professionals, the Cisco Networking Academy, and I am your instructor, Ahmed Malik. From today, we are going to start a new series of recorded video lectures and going to discuss about an important topic of cybersecurity domain, that is penetration testing, also known as pen testing. Starting a new series of lectures on cybersecurity, ethical hacking, digital forensics, pen testing, or security profession can be a great way to educate people about cybersecurity and to train the next generation of security professionals. This series will be based on long and short recorded video lectures by internationally recognized security professionals. At this point, it's important to share that EC Council is a big name in the field of security and offering well-known security certifications. Last year, when I decided to start security domain, I decided to purchase online courses offered by EC Council. I started studying these courses and found them really amazing. During studies, I decided to share these valuable stuff with you, and now, finally, we are going to launch this most important series covering almost all important topics of cybersecurity, network security, and information security. And special thanks to EC Council and Cisco Networking Academy. First of all, we try to understand what is cybersecurity and penetration testing. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computer systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. It is a critical field in today's world as our reliance on technology has grown exponentially. Penetration testing, also known as pen testing, is a type of security assessment that simulates an attack on a computer system or network. The goal of penetration testing is to identify and exploit vulnerabilities in the system or network so that they can be patched and fixed. Penetration testing is an important part of any cybersecurity program as it can help to identify and mitigate risks before they are exploited by attackers. The material within this course focuses on the knowledge, skills, and abilities identified within the specialty areas of most exam providers. This course does not provide you with any specific answer to any exam. Ethical hacking fundamentals do not change from one exam to the next. You can expect to see questions about nmap, what commands were used to generate a specific output, and which tool would you use regardless of the exam vendor. You will be expected to know which penetration testing framework would be used to meet a specific condition. You will be expected to know what information should be delivered in an executive summary, and you will be expected to know how to scope an assessment and identify what document is used for what purpose. You will be expected to know the OWASP top 10 and identify the hacking methodologies used to exploit each one. These are just a few fundamentals that remains constant from one ethical hacking exam vendor to the next. This course provides you with the fundamental knowledge that every ethical hacker is expected to know. Throughout this course, you will learn about cybersecurity tools, reverse shell scripting basics, identifying outputs, and what commands were used to generate the output. This course is strictly hands-on and applied to learning. This course is designed to teach you many of the skills expected of an ethical hacker when starting out or sitting their first cybersecurity exam. Through this course, you will learn the fundamentals of ethical hacking, identify security tool and ethical hacking techniques, identify and exploit web application vulnerabilities, identify the appropriate documentation for starting and finalizing a pen test, correct reporting procedure, analyze threats and vulnerabilities within context of ethical hacking, identify the appropriate pen testing framework for meeting the needs of a specific client, and identify the appropriate exploit for a given vulnerability. About course prerequisites. There are no specified prerequisites for this course, but it's better to have some basic knowledge of cybersecurity. As it is a complete practical course, you must need some resources like a PC or laptop with some good specifications, a good internet connection, and hardware capable of virtualization, and most of all, strong willingness to learn this complete course. It is a detailed course, and we have divided this course into 12 important chapters or modules. Number one, virtual lab building. Number two, documentation. Number three, penetration testing frameworks. Number four, Nmap network discovery. Number five, OpenWAS vulnerability scanning. Number six, information gathering. Number seven, reverse shells and persistent connections. Number eight, privilege escalation. Number nine, OWASP top 10 mitigations. Number 10, web application testing. Number 11, compiling the exploit code. And number 12, scripting. Mr. Cliff Bell will be your instructor for this course. Cliff Bell has worked in technology since 1998, working as a Microsoft support technician, a Microsoft certified trainer, a technology support specialist, a senior network technology consultant, and IT auditor, and most recently as the owner and operator of his own technology firm, CLK Technology Solutions, located in Tucson, Arizona. Cliff's expertise in technology focuses on designing, building, supporting network infrastructures, and network security. So in the end, let's have a course overview. That's enough for today, and stay connected for all upcoming videos. Thank you very much.